And so they named the action an Igbo coup. You know, Nigerians did not call it Igbo coup. The people who called it an Igbo coup was the British people. That was what they communicated. And so that idea took root. A few months later, northern Nigeria, they pounced on the Igbo people and eliminated several people. Between the stretch of July, August, September, they eliminated close to 50,000 Igbo people for nothing. That movement by the British to call it an Igbo coup was one of the first major incidences of ethnic baiting in Nigeria. It was a major incident, if not the first major incidence of ethnic baiting. They made Igbo people the victims of that situation. That happened in 1966, and in the following year, 1967, because